house, Maggie. Move, I'm trying to record this, Mag. Move. Move. It says Miso's house. Look at that. Miso lives in a big house, huh? Look at that. I just saw that said Miso's house, and I was like, what? Miso doesn't live in a box? That's silly, right, Mag? That's silly. Maggie wants to live in there, doesn't she? Go ahead, Mag, get over your fear and go in there. You're a wimp. Miso goes in there. You're so weird, Mag. What are you doing? Maggie, I'm stalking you. Maggie. Maggie, I'm stalking you. Hey. What's up?
Hey, why did they just repeat this?
2 weeks ago, she helped me with the project.
Maggie.
Didn't cost me a dime. What the hell? Hey, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Brush your hair.
You know what? If you gave me a computer or whatever, I'd take it.
Listen,
I'll take it from you. I'll take it from you.
You don't think Sean would have a problem if she walked in with a $2,000 map?
Yeah, she like, yo, what's up? I go, yo, thanks. Nothing there, bro. Charlie is one ugly biatch. You know what I'm saying? I want nothing. No, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing there.
Right.
Anyway, I don't think anything's going on. She's just